Hey guys, this is Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show. I dyed my hair like a black and purple color. Do you guys like that? Or do you guys prefer blonde? I don't know, you guys tell me. But anyways, you guys do not know what I have here in my face. Well, some of you might figure it out, but let me just show you. Let me know what you think this is. I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you guessed some poppers, then you are right. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am going to be eating some hot Cheetos cream cheese jalapeno poppers. Like, yeah, I just threw the box on the floor. And to drink, I have this. And my room is gonna be all messy right now, but yeah, I have this mango and pineapple drink with chili gummies, and inside it also has pieces of mango and pieces of pineapple and pieces of gummies. Oh, you guys, really wish you guys could try this. And here I have my hot Cheetos. You guys know me already. The hot Cheeto queen. Nobody can take my spot. I'm just playing, you guys. So and I bought these cute papers just to, like, I don't know. When I saw them, I was like, I need those in my life. But okay, to do this, all you need is to blend the hot Cheetos. Blend. Get some flour on a bowl. Whisk some eggs on a separate bowl. And in a separate bowl, put your blended hot Cheetos. Then you're gonna get your poppers. Put them first in the flour. Give them a good coating. Second step, put them in the egg. Give them a nice egg coating. Third step, put them in the hot Cheeto blend, or whatever you guys want to call this. And then fry them. Ooh. Shall we try these? Look. Let's go ahead and try them. Oh my god. Wow. Damn. Didn't know it was gonna be this good. I won the lottery with this one, seriously. Wow. I'm not sure if it's the brand of the poppers, but it's so good. I don't know, but I already showed you the box. If you want to try them, take my word. Take my word. You'll never want to go back to regular poppers. Hot Cheeto poppers all the way. Let me see if I can open one. Ooh, and it's cream in the middle with the giant jalapeno. Look at that steam. Ooh. Let me know what you guys are eating with me. I like to read when you guys tell me like, oh, I'm eating a caldito de pollo, or I'm eating some carne asada fries, chicken wings. I love it. I love to read when you guys tell me what you guys are eating with me. Let's put some hot Cheetos in here. Damn. I honestly cannot believe how amazing this is. How good. A little bit spicy, but you know Latinas like spiciness. I got these huge straws in the Korean store, so just in case you guys are wondering. And the gummies. Ooh, I got these in Mexico. Look at the gummies with chili. Wow, you guys. Seriously, wish we could all be eating together. Imagine all of us. Oh my gosh. Puppy. Let me just say, thanks to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I just really want to say thank you. Oh, and my Facebook page has been, it's a success. It's been doing good. Is that the term? I'm just so happy that I have you guys as friends. I can count on you guys for anything. Look at that cream. You can have these in parties. For that special one, Valentine's is coming up. You could just whip this out and be like, bam, mijo, mira, que te cociné. He's gonna fall in love. Look at that. Wow. You guys know how cream cheese and hot Cheetos go along like peanut butter and jelly? It couldn't have been a better combination, like seriously. I used to have black hair, so this inspired me. Instead of doing like the whole process of dyeing and doing all that, I was like, this is perfect. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys don't mind, because I don't mind. I love it. It's my new thing. Our hot Cheetos going up. Because I went to the store and they're trying to sell the bags, like the 150 bags, for like $1.80. I was like, what? You must be crazy. Is this a new thing, or is just that store is so greedy? Let me know, because if hot Cheetos are going up, I need to go have a conversation with the hot Cheetos CEO, ASAP. Just playing, you guys. Looking the hot Cheeto crumbs. But yeah, you guys. Wow. Honestly, I kind of want to pat myself in the back. You go, girl. These are to die for. Like, so easy. Like I said, you need flour, eggs, hot Cheetos, and your poppers. Don't forget that you first have to, oh, excuse me, you have to coat them in flour first, because if you do egg first and then flour, hot Cheetos are not gonna stick. So, a little Wendy advice for you. So, let me know if you do these. It's guaranteed that you guys are gonna love it. I'm pretty sure. Garantizado. La verdad. They're so chewy. But let me know what you think about these. Don't forget to @ me on Wendy's Eating Show if you do this challenge, this DIY. Trust me. Trust me. Trust on my word. You're going to love this. So, forget to subscribe to Wendy's Eating Show. Subscribe to my Spanish channel. Ouch. I hit my nail earlier. I was trying to close my window and it still hurts. But yeah, subscribe to En Familia con Wendy for Spanish videos. Go to my Facebook page and like it. I'm uploading like a lot of pictures. There's like some hilarious pictures that I haven't shared anywhere else except Facebook. So my Facebook, it's Wendy's Eating Show as well. Everything's Wendy's Eating Show except my Snapchat. My Snapchat is I Vlog Wendy. So there. Look at my tongue. Kind of look like a rocker. Like Wendy's been, se reveló la Wendy, you know, like vamos a escuchar Mago de Oz, you know, like type of thing. I don't know, you guys, I'm delusional. But yeah, thanks for everybody who has been leaving nice comments, messaging me on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook. I read everything, you guys, and that means so much to me. For you guys, it's just like, oh, another YouTuber, you know, saying, giving their things. But to me, I don't give it for granted. It's like, it means so much to me. Never in a million years would I thought that I would have this many friends. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.